Bonjour! If you want to declare your love to someone in a unique way, then this video is made for you. I will show you how to create this burning card that reveals your love declaration. Plus, you will be able to say, I made it myself. And really, what better gesture to say I love you? Before we start, I wanted to remind you, safety is always first, and make sure you have something to put out the fire if anything goes wrong. Okay, let's begin. To make this card, you will need thick paper of at least 180 GSM, something to cut with, some type of glue that is suitable for paper, hot glue and a hot glue gun, or double-sided foam tape, tissue paper, and a lot of love. So the way this card works is that it is actually a box. This way the burning tissue paper doesn't touch the beautiful declaration and burn it as well. Here's how to make the outlines of the box. Start by making a rectangle of the size you want for your card to be. Then add a 1 centimeter wide rectangle to each side of it, and again another one on each side and the bottom, this time with cut corners, like so. Now add 1 centimeter wide flaps to the side of the top and bottom rectangles, like that. Finally, draw a rectangle of the same size as the first one you drew on top of what you already have, and another rectangle inside of that one, which will be the cutout for the burning paper. I left 1.5 centimeters on each side and bottom, and on the top I left 2 centimeters, so you can make 2 slits to be able to place a match afterwards. You can place your message inside the first rectangle you made. Make sure it is centered. This is what I came up with. This is of course a reference to the Bridgerton season 1 I burn for you scene. And if you like that reference, I invite you to check my last video in which I show you how to make this card, among others. If you want the exact same design as mine, I made it available to purchase on my shop. The link is in the description and your support is highly appreciated. In my shop you'll also find some cute wallpapers for your computer, tablet and phone, and I made a pack especially for romantic souls like ours. The next step to make the card is to cut, score and fold our card. So you need to cut on the outlines and the cutout for the tissue paper, as well as the 2 slits for the match. Score the rest of the lines. Scoring is optional but highly recommended as it helps having clean folds and it is really easy. So grab anything you have that is more or less pointy but not sharp. I'm using my cutter without the blade, but you can use really anything that is pointy and rounded and not sharp. Using a ruler, press down where you want to score and that's it. It might also help to do it on a soft surface. Here I'm using my desk mat. After that, you can fold along every line with the design on the inside of the fold. This is what you should end up with, and you should be already able to make the shape of the box. Before gluing it into a box though, we want to place and glue the tissue paper. So first you need to cut the tissue paper to the size of the cutout and a bit more of course. And to make sure it does not burn too much, it is best to only use 1 layer of your tissue paper, so make sure you separate the layers and only take 1. And again, to make sure we don't burn everything, we are not going to simply glue it directly to our card, but onto a layer that is less likely to catch fire, like double-sided foam tape for example, or hot glue. I will use the latter. This will create a barrier for the flames. If you want, you can even add a second layer of glue after that on top of your tissue paper, but you don't really have to, I think. Just make sure it goes all the way around as close as you can to the border of the cutout. Once that is done, all you need to do is to assemble your card box. Now, for that, you only need to put glue on the flaps. You can use your hot glue or any type of glue you want that is suitable for paper. It is pretty easy. I'm sure you can figure out where all the flaps have to be glued, and voila! For the final touch, you can place a match into the slits you created for that effect. And ta-da! You're done! You can now offer it to the love of your life and watch their eyes fill with stars and love for you as you tell them that you made it yourself. And as I want to tell all of you that I love you and thank you for watching until now, this card is for you. So let's burn it together. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any further videos, and in the meantime you can check out any other video of mine that you could like. Here are some suggestions for you, and I see you. Bye bye.